Hello guys, welcome back. As you saw the title of this video, yes, I'm moving and I'm super excited. I'm only moving a few blocks away from here, but it is a much bigger place. So I thought I'd bring you along the journey. I'm actually gonna get ready because I have to pack up a few things. I just got boxes. We have time. I set up a few things already. I got movers and right now I just have to do the packing on boxes. This house is much bigger. What we rent right now is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. And now my kids are bigger, so we're moving to a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom place, and you know, obviously they'll get their own bedroom, and I'm actually gonna get a bedroom that I will make it like a studio, office, guest room, you know, for me to do my auditions and record. So I am excited. I think we're gonna be much more comfortable than now. I mean, what we have right now works, but it can get hectic at times, especially if I'm auditioning, the kids are here and they're watching TV or playing, and you know, it's pretty small. It's gotten a little small throughout the years. We've been here 4 years and now it's time. This is the sunscreen I'm using today. This is SPF 50. And I just love how it feels on my face. It's very moisturizing. It gives me a nice glow and I love it. All right, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put some mascara and start packing. It's around 2:20 right now in the afternoon, and I'm actually gonna get to packing now, which this is the game closet, the coat closet, and here we store our games, coolers. You know, here I have the vacuum, some hangers there. These are my backdrops, a sewing machine, some workout equipment, battery for the e-bike, certain things that I use. This is like to hang clothes, umbrellas, equipment there for recording, and also my art supplies over there. I actually sorted out this a few months ago, so it's not that bad, but it's just I don't have a lot of space, so everything is in here. Things that are handy in case we're going out on a trip, we just grab the coolers, things for working out. Oh, and this backpack here is our emergency backpack in case of natural disaster. We have a lot of things here that we're just gonna grab and go. You know, here in California we're prone to earthquakes, so in case, you know, always be prepared. And this is a shredding machine. What's behind? That's my portfolio with some art pieces. And this in here is my arts and craft container. And in here I got disposable cups, cutlery, napkins, sponges, cups here, utensils, and some rags over here. I don't think I have much down there. No, I just have paper towels. Here I have some cleaning stuff. This one here I want to use. This is the damp duster. I've seen good reviews, so I wanted to try it out. So let me show you our games. Here I have 2 Monopolies, different kinds. Puzzles. These are our favorite right now. This is what we played the most right now, and it's so much fun. The Joke King. Do you really know your family? This one is my favorite actually. Incoherent Family. So this is how you play. You actually show this part here, and people are pronouncing it until, you know, they guess what it is. Taco Tuesday. It says Taco Tuesday. So they keep saying it and all of a sudden they get it and then you keep the card. But this is so much fun. I like this one. This is my favorite. This one's pretty cool too. It's like a comic game and you make up your own story with the cards and they get pretty funny. And this one, I would say this is the best for immediate family. Like, you know, parents, grandparents, aunts, sister, brothers, husband and wife. I think it's such a great game, especially because you guys know each other really well. But I realized that with this, we ended up actually getting to know more about each other because of the questions. So it's really fun. Let me see if I can show you the questions here. How many hours a day do I spend on the phone? Where would I want to go for our next family vacation? Challenge. Do an impression of one of your relatives. The first person to correctly guess who it is gets to keep this card. So it's pretty cool. Connect for Jenga. These are more smaller kid games, but we still play them. And also this one was pretty fun, but it's a little complicated, especially if you play with little, like smaller kids. But I think if you play with adults or, you know, teenagers, it's fun. And definitely our card games. We have so many cards. I mean, not only here, but we have a box here. We have another box of all these Uno cards and card games. Nope is fun. Uno's fun. And one of the other ones that we love the most, and this is one that we love the most, is Spotted. Definitely a really good family game. Alright, so today is Friday, and yesterday I actually didn't get to pack too much, actually, at nighttime only. I actually got my hair done yesterday, ran a few errands, and then I took my kids to the activities. They had ice skating, so that was it. Today, this morning, I went to the gym. I did a few things I had to do with work, and I'm about to keep unpacking. I have so many boxes all over, but I'm gonna try to take the curtains and the rods out of the wall. That's gonna be my task for today. And right now it's past lunchtime, and I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna eat strawberries. Oof, much dust. So now to cover the holes, I'm gonna use this that I saw on TikTok, and it is to spackle small holes. And it has this tool to flatten the product and this part here to buff and make it smooth. I don't think there's much product here. It is 3 floor ounces, so it's not much. I just feel like it's very handy. I'm gonna try and see how it works. Oh, that worked well. I like that. It's pretty good. Oh, nice. That really works so well. It's so easy to put on. I think it is good if you have a few holes to spackle. Still have to do this here. I don't know if I ever show you guys, this is my desk. Right now it's full of bags and things that have to be donated. I used to sit here and work. I will give you guys an empty apartment tour once it's all gone. All right, so I actually stacked all the boxes that I'm done on this side, but I still have to finish this one, and I have a few more. But I'm starting to run a little bit out of steam. I'm feeling pretty tired. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the other curtain today. And my husband's been doing other stuff. I mean, I have not recorded him, but he does. I can't take all the credit. My husband and my kids have been doing a lot of the other stuff. And yeah, I don't think I would have done this all myself. I mean, the cool thing is that we had time, so it has helped us a lot. Today is already Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, we're gonna do a little bit more because next week is our last full week. So at least we could just fix things and make sure everything is put together and organized. Easy enough for movers to take it over to the new place. So I want everything to be very smooth. So next week what I have planned is the kitchen and also my hallway closet. I don't think I ever showed you that one, but yeah, I'm not there yet. So I'll show you in the next video. What else? I don't think I have anything else. I'm trying to see if I want to take everything, you know, from here because, you know, a new place, usually a lot of things are different measurements. Feel of the place is a little different. I'm still making decisions on things. I don't know if this is just me, but I mean, my mind is like, okay, let me do this, this, and that. Physically, I'm starting to get tired, but that's because I was on my feet all day. Another part of me is telling me to relax and enjoy time with the family. You know, that I have the weekend, I have Saturday and Sunday. But then again, my mind is like telling me, if you do a lot of stuff today, then you clear your Saturday and Sunday and enjoy your weekend. So I was like, oh my God, what do I do? A lot of my nails have broken. It's like, I feel very frozen. Yeah, and it gives me anxiety. I don't know if anyone is like that. Like, there's a lot of things you want to do. Your mind is like kind of battling yes and no. It's being logic and telling you the right thing, but then also this is good too. And you're like torn. You're like, Urgh! So I don't know. I'm gonna let the day speak to me and see what comes. Highly recommend this product. It's so good. It's like you don't even have to sand afterwards. It looks so good. It's so much precision. The only thing that I don't like is that it only comes with a little bit inside. I mean, but I haven't ran out, so hopefully it'll last for the last curtain in my bedroom. But I mean, otherwise I've been like using this everywhere and it's so good. I can't even see where are the holes that I did before. I don't know if I show you guys this, but I actually got these bags. They're like square bags, and I'm gonna put all my clothes here from the drawer. It's like a duffel bag kind of. So this is what it looks like. My son already started using this one, but look, they're pretty big. They're really good in size. I think these work really well. And you can fold them away and reuse them again another time. So pretty cool. All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna close the vlog here. I am super exhausted. I did some work in my kid's bedroom and I think my body's just about to give in. So the good thing is that I still have a week and a half till we move. We made a lot of progress. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.